Today let's see about the concept of looping, break, continue, switch and go to. In looping, the set of statement execute repeatedly is known as the looping. There are three types of loop, namely while loop, for loop and do while loop. This is the comparison of these three loops. In for loop, there is only one line syntax, that is initialization, condition and increment decrement part. Whereas in while loop, the initialization part is given, after that the condition will be given, inside the loop the increment or decrement operation will be performed. That set of statement execute until the condition is true. If the condition is false, it will come out of the loop. In do while loop, the initialize part is given and inside the loop the increment or decrement part is given. After that the condition will be checked. The condition checks in last. This is the main difference between do while and while. Now let's see about break and continue. The break statement ends the loop immediately when it is encountered. After the break statement, it will come out of the loop. Now let's see about continue. After continue statement, it skips and immediately it takes to the increment part. This is the example given for break and continue. Now let's see about switch. Switch is used instead of if or else statement. The cases are used in switch. There are some limitation in switch. The cases need not necessarily be arranged in ascending order like 1, 2, 3 and default. It is not necessary. Even if there are multiple statements to be executed, in each case there is no need to enclose them within a pair of braces. It is not necessary. Then the limitation of switch is that logical operators cannot be used in the cases. It is unacceptable in switch. This is the syntax of switch. And at last, go to. If we use the go to label, the control will transfer to that label. See, in this example, the go to label is given as hope. So it will print hope is hoping against hope. The control will transfer to that hope, and at last the printf prints the hope is hoping against the hope. That's all about looping, switch and break and continue and go to. Thank you.